Imagine this: you are just living your life, doing something completely innocuous, perhaps drying laundry on a clothesline or feeding peons in a park, when suddenly you are handed a citation for an ordinance violation you never knew existed. It feels bewildering and maybe even a little silly, but this unexpected encounter with a quirky local rule can leave you wondering, what is the best next step? When you receive a violation for an obscure ordinance, seeking legal counsel is often a very smart move, especially if the violation involves a court appearance, potential fines, or any lasting impact on your record. These seemingly minor issues can escalate if not handled properly, so understanding your options early is key. The reason even obscure ordinances matter is simple: they are still laws. While they might seem outdated or peculiar, they carry the full force of local government authority. These ordinances are typically enacted by city councils or county commissions and are designed to regulate specific aspects of community life. They exist to maintain public order, safety, or even local aesthetics, and sometimes they simply reflected a bygone era. Regardless of their origins, a valid ordinance can lead to legitimate enforcement actions, requiring a careful and informed response. To navigate this situation effectively, first, carefully read the citation or notice to understand the specific charge and the issuing authority. Next, research the ordinance online through your local government's website to understand its exact wording and scope. Pay close attention to details like deadlines for response or payment. If you are unsure about the legality of the ordinance, the process for appeal, or the potential consequences, consulting with an attorney specializing in municipal law can provide much-needed clarity. They can help you determine if the ordinance was properly applied, if there are any defenses available, or if negotiation for a lesser charge is possible. An important concept to remember is the potential for local enforcement discretion. Sometimes, these obscure ordinances are rarely enforced, and the violation might be due to a specific complaint or a recent push in a particular area. An attorney can investigate the history of enforcement for that specific ordinance and help you understand if you are being unfairly targeted or if there is a pattern of selective enforcement. Understanding this context can be a powerful tool in your defense, potentially leading to a dismissal or a favorable outcome. Ultimately, the benefit of seeking counsel for an obscure ordinance violation is gaining peace of mind and protecting your interests. It allows you to transform a confusing and potentially stressful situation into a manageable one, ensuring you are well prepared to address the citation and avoid any unintended negative repercussions on your record or finances. You gain an advocate who understands the intricate workings of local regulations and can guide you toward the most favorable resolution.